Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pedro. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video and share your experience or ask any question that is bothering your mind. And you can also join my Telegram group for free signal. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make $80 every 15 minutes using this strategy. How you can make $80 above using this strategy every 15 minutes. As you can see now, we are on step index 5-minute time frames. This strategy only work on step index 5 minutes, only 5-minute time frames. As you can see now, I have my window, I have my main charts, I have my window 1, I have my window 2, and I have my window 3, which is my main focus. So window 3 here is my main focus. So I have my trade that is going to accurate in my first chart, is going to be accurate in my second window, but it's not going to be accurate on my third chart. But I'm going to make use of the third window. So after you have the confirmation on the first window, you have the confirmation on the second window, then you have to wait for the confirmation on the third window before you enter this trade. So you can watch this video to the end because I'm going to share you with the settings on how you can get this strategy on your phone. So let me tell you how you can trade this successfully and make $80 with this strategy. Now, as you can see, you have to have the confirmation on your first window, which is going to give you a confirmation here that your trade is on time level, which is this level, and also it's going to give you a confirmation on the second window that it is on a what, on a 10 level. But on my third chart, it's going to show you a green line signal here like this for you before you can enter this trade. So what I really mean in this trade, in this market, is that when you have your confirmation on my third chart, you see is everything is still on zigzag here. But when there is a confirmation of a green on the upper cell like this, then the market is telling you that you should enter a long buy, which you are going to enter from this level. You see now, when the two open a mount to have a separate way, then this is the right time for you to enter the market. You see now, from this level now you can enter your market and make your money every day. So this strategy will always help you to avoid loss every time. It will help you to avoid loss every time. Let's check for more sample of this. You see now, I have my confirmation in my first window, which my first window reached my 90 level at this point, and also on my second window I have my confirmation also, which will read my 90 level. But on my third window I don't have the confirmation, but I have to wait for the confirmation to what, to come on board, which is this angle. Now let me show you now what I really mean. Now when when the yellow moving average move up on this level, then this is the right time for you to enter the trade. You see now, we have a zigzag on this level, and the yellow move on the upper, and green move to the downward side here. So green move to this downward side, this level. So with this strategy now, you will have take this trade from this level to this level. So you see, let me show you more of a sample. It only work on step index. You see now, currently now I have my confirmation on my first window to be like this, to be confirmed here, which is my 10% 10 level, and my second window, which is my 10 level here, and on my third window is still on zigzag, but I'm not going to enter the trade until I have the confirmation on the third level. You see now, there is a confirmation from here. Now you see the green is moving on a what, on a buy level. So when a green is moving on a buy level, then you enter a buy level. So when the green is in the uptrend, then you can take your trade from this level to this level. So it will always help you to escape loss in every of your trade. You see now, there we have a confirmation also in this level. Now you see now, we have a downtrend here. We have a downtrend on my first window. On my second window, I have it which respect my 10 level, and my second window also respect my 10 level. But I have my zigzag here, but I have to wait till I have the confirmation on the third window, which is this level. You see now, which is this level. You see down the green is taking up a what, a uptrend. You see, so when I discover that the green have finally take the uptrend, then I can successfully take my trade to this level. So it only works on step index. I'm going to show you the settings of this after this video. You can see I have my confirmation. You see now this place, I have it also on this, it's confirmed here, and I also have it here, it's confirmed on my window too. But I'm having my zigzag here, so I'm not going to enter the trade now. So I have to wait for the confirmation when I have my green line to be on a uptrend. You see now, is in uptrend from this level. Now you see, once I confirm that my green now is in uptrend, then I can successfully take the trade. And you can see now, currently now, the market still respects that particular level. So the two 9 is still moving to agree together, bring out a zigzag, and open another chart for you to enter the market. As you can see, this is always what is happening in the market, constant. You see, yeah. Okay, let me show you this particular place now. Okay, let me show you this now. You see now, it agree on my first window, which is this level. It agree on my first window on this. You see, on my 80, on my 90 level, and also it also agree on my second window, which is the 90 level. And on my third window, you see now, I don't have the confirmation yet, but I have to wait. You see the zigzag there. Then I have my buy, which is I have my yellow to be on a uptrend. So when my yellow is on uptrend, what do? Then I need to set the market. I need to sell down the market, which I have to sell down the market like this. So now let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you also can have it on your phone. So this is my setting. Just screenshot it. So I have my relative strength index, which is just screenshot it. You see, so that's it. Then press on done. I have my moving average. First moving average is 8. Press on done. Then I have my second moving average, which is 5. Then same settings, press on done. I have my third moving average, which is 13. Press on done. So screenshot it as I'm opening it. Screenshot it. So I have my window 2. I have my oscillator there. So I have my period 111 and low high simple. So press on done. So I have my moving average. First moving average is 1. So see the settings, press on done. Then I have my second moving average, which is 2. Press on done. I have my third moving average, which is 3. So the same settings, press on done. So I have my fourth moving average, which is also 4. Period of 4. Then same settings, press on done. Then I have my, okay, yes, that is the moving average. So I have my important window now, which is the window 3 that I say is the most important strategy that you need here. So let me show you now. So I have the period of what, of 90, of 70 here, and you can see the color. The first star is in white color, which is the color of your background. So I have the two color in different color, so you can choose any color of your choice, then press on done. So by doing this now, you will have it on your main chart. You will have it on your main chart. So you just follow what I really explained in the video, and you will surely get it right. So first, confirm your entry from your first window. You see now it respect my 10 level. it respect my 10 level here, but here it was still giving me zigzag, so I have to wait for the market to respect that level. So immediately I see that the green has take up a what, a uptrend, which is this level. It take up a uptrend, then this is my right time for me to enter the market. You see, I enter the market and the market still keep on moving up to this moment. So if you are watching this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and like and comment on this video, and also you can also join my Telegram group for free signal.